Today marks a potentially game-changing moment at the intersection of tech and fashion, a collaboration that could redefine how we interact with technology in our daily lives. Google, a titan of the tech world, Warby Parker, known for revolutionizing the eyewear industry with its accessible and stylish frames, and Kering, a luxury powerhouse, are joining forces in an unprecedented alliance. This collaboration brings together Google's unparalleled tech power and artificial intelligence expertise, Warby Parker's commitment to accessible eyewear and customer-centric approach, and Kering's deep-rooted luxury fashion expertise and brand prestige. Their mission? To reinvent smart glasses, transforming them into not only a high-tech tool, but also a coveted style statement that people genuinely want to wear. Google's AI and extensive hardware experience, from the ubiquitous Android operating system to the pioneering, though ultimately unsuccessful, Google Glass, sets the technological foundation for this ambitious project. Warby Parker's disruptive direct-to-consumer model, combined with their trend-setting designs and focus on affordability, aims to make smart eyewear approachable and accessible to a wider audience. Kering, with its portfolio of iconic brands like Gucci and the effortlessly cool Saint Laurent, ensures that these glasses are not just technologically advanced, but also undeniably luxurious and desirable. The ultimate goal is to create AI-powered glasses that are as seamlessly functional and intuitive as they are undeniably fashionable and stylish. Past iterations of smart glasses have struggled to gain mainstream acceptance, but this powerhouse team is determined to change that narrative. They're carefully analyzing and learning from the mistakes of previous failures, placing a strong emphasis on style, unparalleled comfort for all-day wear, and providing real-world utility that seamlessly integrates into everyday life. The timing feels particularly ripe for a true breakthrough in the smart eyewear market. Announced just today, this groundbreaking partnership has the potential to finally make smart eyewear a mainstream reality, making it accessible and desirable for everyone. It's not simply about launching another new product into the market. It's about forging a whole new product category that seamlessly blends technology and fashion. The world is watching with bated breath, eager to see if this powerful trio can finally succeed where so many others have stumbled and failed. If they manage to get it right this time, this could very well be the future of wearable technology as we know it. It's undoubtedly a bold move, skillfully blending cutting-edge technology, the practicality of everyday fashion, and the allure of high-end luxury. The potential impact on the market and consumer behavior is absolutely huge. This is far more than just another tech gadget or accessory. It has the potential to spark a significant cultural shift in how we perceive and interact with wearable technology. Why are these tech giants placing such significant bets on smart glasses? What makes them so confident in this technology? For Google, the driving force is about seamlessly integrating AI into the fabric of our daily routines, making it an intuitive and indispensable tool. Wearables and smart glasses in particular offer a direct, unobtrusive heads-up interface, providing information without requiring you to look down at a screen. It's about having information right where you need it, when you need it, delivered in a way that doesn't distract from the present moment. Google's taken valuable lessons from its first glass attempt, understanding what worked and, more importantly, what didn't. Now they are ready for a smarter, more refined and subtler round two, focusing on user experience and practical applications. Warby Parker sees a unique opportunity to spearhead the next evolution in eyewear. They aim to seamlessly integrate technology into their already popular and stylish frames, enhancing functionality without sacrificing aesthetics. This strategic move opens up a completely new market segment and fundamentally redefines what consumers expect and demand from their everyday glasses. Kering, on the other hand, is looking to future-proof the very concept of luxury, ensuring its relevance in an increasingly digital world. They envision a future where heritage craftsmanship seamlessly blends with cutting-edge technology, creating a new paradigm of luxury goods. Just imagine the possibilities of Gucci smart glasses, a perfect fusion of timeless design, unparalleled craftsmanship, and state-of-the-art innovation. For all three industry titans, the overarching vision is remarkably clear. Technology should be fundamentally assistive, enhancing our capabilities and simplifying our lives. It should be virtually invisible, seamlessly integrated into our environment and our daily routines. And crucially, it should be undeniably stylish, reflecting our personal tastes and enhancing our self-expression. Smart glasses, therefore, could very well be the key to unlocking a less intrusive and more human-centered digital future. A future where technology anticipates our needs and seamlessly integrates into our lives, making us more efficient and more connected. Google brings the technological prowess and the AI expertise, while Warby Parker and Kering contribute the crucial design credibility and fashion-forward thinking. It's a challenge that none of these companies could realistically tackle in isolation. By joining forces, they're not just creating a device, they're building an entire platform and ecosystem. Ultimately, this is about fundamentally changing the way we interact with technology, making it more intuitive, more seamless, and more human. The stakes are undeniably high, but the potential rewards, both financially and in terms of shaping the future, are even greater. It's a bold and ambitious bet on the future of wearable technology and its transformative impact on our lives. So what are these AI glasses? Imagine regular eyewear but with a hidden layer of intelligence. Tiny projectors display info on the lens while microphones and cameras enable voice commands and computer vision. A custom chip powers real-time AI assistants. Think instant translations or navigation overlays. The glasses connect to your phone or even work standalone with cellular. AI features could include object recognition, notifications, and fitness tracking. The goal: seamless, natural integration with your digital life. The AI learns your habits, becoming more helpful over time. Privacy and speed are key. Some processing happens on device, some in the cloud. The experience must be smooth and reliable. These aren't just gadgets, they're smart assistants for your eyes. The tech is invisible, but the benefits are clear. It's about making digital help feel effortless. This is the next step in wearable intelligence. When we discuss the evolution of smart glasses, one name inevitably comes to mind. We can't talk smart glasses without mentioning Google Glass. It was the pioneer that arrived too soon. A bold attempt to redefine personal technology. Its techie look and very real privacy concerns ultimately kept it from achieving mainstream success. It struggled to find its place in the market. Clunky design, short battery life, often leaving users stranded, and unclear use cases leaving many wondering what it was actually for, made it feel more like a novelty than a necessity. Social awkwardness, wearing a camera on your face, was a real barrier to adoption. This new project aims to be different. Design and wearability come first. Warby Parker and Kering, with their expertise in eyewear design, ensure these glasses not only look good, but also feel like regular stylish eyewear. Something you'd actually want to wear. The tech is discreet, almost invisible, and the AI genuinely useful, enhancing daily life without being intrusive. Subtlety and practical value are the new priorities, a stark contrast to the approach of the past. Lessons from the past are clear. Seamless integration and clear value are absolutely essential for success this time around. Privacy is being addressed proactively, right from day one. People need to genuinely want to wear these. Comfort and style are non-negotiable elements in this new generation of smart glasses. The primary focus is on achieving widespread user acceptance, not just pushing the boundaries of innovation for the sake of it. This is a second chance, a fresh opportunity to finally get smart glasses right and deliver on their true potential. The entire team is deeply determined not to repeat the mistakes of the past, learning from previous shortcomings. Warby Parker is key to making these glasses wearable and appealing. Their expertise ensures comfort, style, and affordability for everyday users. Their direct-to-consumer model means fast feedback and rapid improvement. The tech will be nearly invisible. No bulky parts, just sleek design. Glasses must be lightweight and comfortable for all-day use. Kering elevates the project to luxury status. With brands like Gucci and Balenciaga, Kering brings high-fashion credibility and premium materials. AI glasses become not just tech but a coveted accessory. Expect high-end versions, precious metals, bespoke designs, limited editions. This strategy makes smart glasses aspirational and normalizes the tech. When luxury brands embrace new tech, cultural acceptance follows. Warby Parker and Kering together broaden the appeal from mass market to luxury. This could finally erase the stigma of smart eyewear. How will people use these AI glasses? Hands-free info is the biggest draw. Imagine directions, notifications, or reminders appearing right in your field of view, no phone needed. Real-time translation breaks language barriers instantly. Professionals could see notes or prompts during presentations. AI might even offer subtle social cues, helping in conversations. Learning becomes interactive. Look at a landmark, get instant info. Identify plants, animals, or products just by looking. The world becomes a dynamic, interactive classroom. The AI learns your routines, offering proactive help, like suggesting a faster commute or reminding you to take breaks. It could even help you find lost items by recalling what you last saw. The goal, a true personal assistant, always available, never intrusive. These glasses make daily life smoother and smarter. It's about making technology work for you, not the other way around. The benefits of AI glasses are compelling. Hands-free access boosts productivity and focus. No more constant phone checks. Quick answers and data at a glance streamline work and save time. Safety improves for cyclists or workers. Navigation and info without looking away. Technicians can see manuals overlaid on equipment, keeping hands and eyes free. Fashion matters. These glasses are designed to look good, not just work well. Warby, Parker, and Kering ensure a range of styles from accessible to luxury. The tech complements your look, not compromises it. Entertainment and social experiences get a boost. AR games, POV video calls, new art forms. The platform opens up creative possibilities for how we interact with digital content. This is more than a tool, it's a new way to experience the world. Smart eyewear could redefine how we live, work, and play. Excitement aside, big challenges remain. Privacy is the top concern. Cameras and data collection must be handled transparently. Users and bystanders need clear controls and trust in the system. Fitting all the tech, processors, batteries, sensors into slim frames is a huge engineering feat. Battery life and comfort are critical. Glasses must last all day and feel good. Social acceptance is another hurdle. People need to feel comfortable wearing and seeing these in public. Price will influence adoption. The rollout must be strategic and benefits clear. The AI must be fast, accurate, and context-aware to be truly useful. Displays need to be clear in all lighting, yet subtle. Voice commands must work reliably even in noisy places. Seamless, bug-free integration of hardware and software is essential. Continuous updates will be needed to keep the experience top-notch. This partnership could redefine wearable tech and fashion. The focus is shifting. Tech must be beautiful, desirable, and seamlessly integrated. Fashion is now a primary driver for tech adoption, not an afterthought. Kering's involvement could spark a wave of smart, stylish accessories across the industry. Tech companies will need to prioritize design and user experience more than ever. Expect more collaborations between tech and fashion going forward. The future is human-centric, devices that adapt to us, not the other way around. If these AI glasses succeed, they could usher in a new era of personal technology. Our interaction with information, our environment, and each other could fundamentally change. This is a glimpse of a future where tech enhances life, not overshadows it. It's an exciting step toward blending digital and daily life seamlessly.